stay in the shot line, and I promise you, your runouts will continue to increase like crazy. What's going on, tryhards? The shot line. What is it? How do we stay in it? I'm gonna talk about it in this video right here so you can continue your runouts as a pool player. Let's get into it. And we have it down here, right here, and right here. We are straight in on our one ball. Always remember, you want to go into your shot line. Our shot line for our 7 would be right here. Why is it right here as opposed to right here? Because I want to set up an angle for myself to come back down for the 9 ball. If I set up straight, I'm gonna have to draw it back or do some crazy force follow. No one wants to do that. We want to stay in the shot line so we can continue our run. Last 3 balls are the most important balls, arguably. If I'm going into my shot line here, which is right here, because I want to leave myself an angle, I want to come off that rail right there. Going away from our shot line would be something like this. I'm going to draw it back, trying to go into our shot line. Crazy, right? That looks a little ridiculous when I do in this situation, but we see it all the time. People going away from the shot line. Always look at your next ball and see where you want to leave. And I'm pretty straight right here. So I'm gonna leave myself an angle. I wanna come about right here. That's my shot line. As you can see in this diagram, bam, bam, that's my shot line where I want to leave the cue ball or close to it. So I'm gonna use a little bit of outside here, top left, forward it, get off that rail, coming into the shot line. We always wanna get close. I'm a little bit off here, but I still have my angle to come back down. So now, going into the shot line of the 9, if I want to pocket the 9 ball in this corner pocket, all right, I want to come into the shot line. Going away from the shot line would be using top left to go 1, 2, 3 rails back into our shot line, which is about right here. We don't want to go away from it. We want to go towards it. If our shot line is here and we come off this end rail, we're always staying in the shot line because we can pocket this ball anywhere from here to here. So we always want to go into the shot line. So remember that. Now I'm shooting this ball with a little bit of outside, just a little bit, enough to hit that end rail and come back down, coming into our shot line, just like that. Now we pocket the ball. Still, we want to make sure our cue ball is going into another imaginary shot line. So I just wanted to do a little stop shot right here, pretending my next ball is here. Always remember that. Always pretend there's another ball, even if you guys are on your last ball. Pocket the ball, just like that. Stay in the shot line, and I promise you, your runouts will continue to increase like crazy. I'm Dupree, aka The Try Hard. Y'all keep trying hard, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.